Hey, what's up? I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm super excited today because I'm unboxing my first Sephora Play Box, and my expectations are high, but I already feel like I'm gonna be disappointed. So I recently ordered the Sephora Give Me Some the Sephora Favorites luxury set. So it's their Luxe at Sephora set, and I'll link that up here if you haven't seen it. You should go watch it because that was an interesting set, to say the least. But today I'm gonna be unboxing this beautiful little thing. Speaking of the Luxe set, I got this as a freebie with that order because they had a promo code to get a play box for free. So I have not subscribed. I just used their promo code to get this because I thought it was an interesting way to try it, and then you get a bunch of samples instead of just one using a promo code. So I ended up getting this, and it comes in a normal little box. And the back says, "Play by Sephora loves the planet. Be sure to recycle this box when you're done with it," which makes me really, really happy. Yeah, I know the makeup industry in general is just a lot of waste, a lot of packaging, but recycle your cardboard, people. So when you open this box, you are faced with a little card situation. I will go through this card first. So it's like steps to use this guide. So it gives you a 50-point card. 50 beauty insider points, so next time you shop at the store you get 50 extra points. And then it wants you to fold up your poster and put it in your bag and head out to the first party of the season. Yeah, I'm not folding your product card and putting it anywhere. That doesn't even make sense to me. And this play box is the Merry and Bright play box. It seems like it's probably like leftover from the holidays or something. I don't know. Let's get to the actual product though. So I'm gonna open the box again, and it comes with a little plastic baggie full of stuff, and I've already taken the liberty of unzipping this situation. I will start with a perfume. So if I were paying $10 for this just right off the bat, I would be really, really pissed if I received one of these free sample looking things. Like, you can go to a store and get this for free. So just off the bat, I'm like, really? This is the Tory Burch Just Like Heaven perfume, and I'm sure it smells great, but like, really, Sephora? It's aight. Kind of smells like gin. I love gin. But it says this floral citrus mix is a vivid scent composed of pure ingredients like rhubarb, mandarin, hyacinth flower, and lang lang. In terms of the smell, I think it smells fine. It's not really like outstanding, not one of my favorite scents, but just the fact that they included this in a box that people are paying $10 a month for. Stop playing with me, Sephora. On to the next one. The next thing we have is Clinique's Pep-Start eye cream. It says a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin in an instant. You know, I just find a lot of things to be very gimmicky. I don't know. I just don't know. Slight like medicinal scent, but it doesn't seem like they've added any fragrance, so that's nice. But I'm gonna try this out, I guess, and report it back. Again, like super tiny samples, which I get. But just right off the bat, there are so many boxes, like subscription boxes that you can subscribe to that sometimes will send you full-size products, like one full-size product and a bunch of samples. So again, another deluxe size sample, better than the perfume. This is not something you could just ask for at Sephora. So far, not impressed with this play box, but let's just keep going and see. The next thing is one thing that's right up my alley, and it's a cream lip stain sample. It is the color Pink Tea, and it's their Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain Liquid Lipstick. By the way, I've done a swatch video of these liquid lipsticks, like of I think 5 or 6 of them. So that's not everything, obviously, but I will link that video right here if you want to see that. That was interesting because I also had some interesting thoughts about that set. Super tiny sample again, but it's a lip cream and you can't just go to the store and try it on because it's like not hygienic. But it looks like a pretty color. And I have a feeling this was in a recent Sephora Give Me Some lip set, because if you are not new to my channel, you may know that I'm always on these Sephora favorite sets. So I feel like this was included somewhere, and if it was, it didn't work for me. This is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. It's a leave-in conditioner that prevents color fading and brassiness. And it's actually a decent size, which is really, really nice. This would be nice if you use it like before Ugh, that's probably a bad idea. Has that traditional Moroccan oil scent. If you know any Moroccan oil products, you know what it smells like, but it is for color treated hair. I've actually let my highlights grow out. I used to have highlights. If you watch any of my old videos, I had like highlighted hair. It was a lot lighter, but I'm thinking of getting highlights again for the summer, so this might be a good product to try out. It says to mist through damp hair from mid-lengths to ends and then comb through and style as normal. So decent sized product, I'm happy. The next thing is a skincare product. It is the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream. And they call this a rich moisturizer that improves the appearance of fine lines, flakiness, and tightness for smooth skin. So I don't personally experiment much with skincare products because my skin is so sensitive that I'm afraid to. I think this does have fragrance. I wish they had ingredient lists and stuff on this because these are all sample sizes, so you would have to go look up each individual thing if you wanted to see the ingredients, but actually am not devastated by this. It says it's a moisture retention shield, so it almost seems like an occlusive product to me. Like I would put on my moisturizer and then maybe put this in the areas that I feel like I need like extra moisture. Might test this out and see how it is. Last but not least, the product I'm super excited about. It is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Microfinishing Loose Powder. And it's actually a very decent size. It is like their little mini travel size. Oh, I really like this product. I think for video, it's great. For photo, you get a lot of flashback if you're not careful. Yeah, I think this is like a tried and true product in the makeup community. And if you have used this, let me know if you like it or not. I like it, I know I love it. I remember wearing it one day and it was like, I swear like 90 something degrees outside and I sweated my whole entire life off. But when I looked in the mirror, my skin was still fine. Like this kept me so matte that I didn't have any issues for hours. So super excited to try this in my T-zone. Okay, this is definitely a holiday leftover box because it says Holiday Survival Pocket Guide. And so it's like telling you what to wear for party-proof lips, how bold should you go, keep the conversation flowing, 5-minute office makeover, should you go to the party? Hard no, girl yes. Cute packaging, cute little poster. I was judgy, but you know. Overall, do I think this box is worth it? No, it is not worth it. I mean, just the perfume sample that I like threw somewhere, hold on. Just even considering like the perfume sample from Tory Burch, like why would you include this in a box that I'm paying for? Unless it's an extra, which I think when they first started Play, it was like, oh, you get these products plus like a bonus 6th one. But still, if I were paying for this, I'd be really mad. Not down. I think skincare is also kind of hard to do because a lot of things don't work for everybody, but one thing I do want to say is that Sephora included a really nice range of products. So you have a lip cream, you have a hair product, 2 skincare products, a fragrance, and a finishing powder. I think that the variety is great and it's a little bit of something that everyone can use. Obviously this lip cream stain in the color Pink Tea is not going to work for everybody, but in general, I'm impressed with the variety and it's not bad, but like I would not want to pay $10 a month for these things. When it comes to beauty boxes, I actually prefer the Allure beauty box because I find that I get a lot bigger products. They do full-size products in their boxes all the time. And then secondly, they include a lot of luxurious and more high-end items. So overall, I like their boxes better, but this is an interesting box. I definitely will not be signing up for a Sephora Play subscription, to say the least. But let me know if you are subscribed. If you are, if you're not, what do you think? Would you subscribe? I personally don't think it's worth it, but I wanna know what you think, so definitely let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have an awesome day and an awesome week wherever you are, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.